Step 1. Go to RIA website or open the RIA app on your phone. Tap Sign Up at the top right. Step 2. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose your country of residence. Then hit Continue. Step 3. Enter your full name, date of birth, and phone number. You'll receive a verification code. Enter it to verify your number. Step 4. Provide your address and ID details like your passport or driver's license. This helps keep your transfers secure. Step 5. Agree to the terms and hit Create Account. That's it. You're ready to send money with RIA. Need help? The RIA support team is always ready to assist. Happy transferring.